Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? This is Bing Naranjo from Bingodesigns. Today we'll do a quick unboxing and review of the Dell Optiplex 5040. This is a small form factor, and because this is a used computer, some minor scratches and dents are to be expected. But that's fine as long as the motherboard and the power supply are in excellent condition. To start with, the power button can be found on the front along with one audio jack, two USB 2 ports, two USB 3 ports, the Dell logo, and the optical drive. I believe they forced the PC cover to close without verifying, resulting in this gap. There are 4 additional USB 3 ports and 2 USB 2 ports at the back, as well as 1 HDMI connector, 2 display ports, and 1 audio lane connector, a serial port, a PS2 mouse and keyboard port, an Ethernet connector, and the power cord connector. By the way guys, I bought this PC on Shopee as a bare bones, so I'll have to buy CPU and the RAM separately and installed it, which I'll show you in another video, so stay tuned. Why I'm having a lot of trouble opening this? Guys, I don't want to waste your time watching me while I open this. I'll pause the video and get back to you. It was meant to be simple enough to open easily when you slide this blue plastic, but because of the gap we noticed previously, I figured that was the reason it didn't open smoothly. It has finally opened, so let's see what's inside. I'll take off the front bezel. Take out this large hard drive cage so we can see what's behind it. Guys, the motherboard is using the Q170 chipset, which was released in 2015. We have 4 RAM slots and support dual channel memory configuration. With a maximum RAM capacity of 16GB DDR-L 1600 MHz. 1 PCIe 3.0 16 connector for the GPU. One SATA M.2 socket that support PCIe 3.0 NVMe with a speed up to 4 GB. And a 180 watt power supply. The processor that supports 6th Intel Core technology named Skylake, Skylake is Intel code name for its 6th generation Core microprocessor. The max CPU clock rates up to 4.5 GHz. Also, we have 3 SATA connector. Dell Optiplex 5040 supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo card with the onboard M.2 PCIe Wi-Fi Bluetooth slot. The power switch, the CPU power connector, CPU fan connector, internal speaker connector, and the system fan connector. So the question is this something I should suggest to my viewers? Well, if you have a very tight budget and you want a workstation or a gaming PC, then the answer is yes. Because this is a very good PC to start with. In fact, I use this particular machine to edit this film. Also, there are several ports on this Dell Optiplex, which is one of its many qualities that I personally like. And you can easily upgrade this by installing a good GPU like the low-profile RX 6400. Guys, I want to know what you think about this Dell Optiplex. Please feel free to ask me any questions, and if you have any opinion regarding this Dell Optiplex, just leave a comment below. So guys, that's all for today. One thing to consider if you like this kind of content, and also if you want to learn how to draw 2D game character, learn how to manipulate images using GIMP, and you want to support me as a creator, please hit that like button and subscribe. Until then, bye bye, take care, and God bless everyone.